For years, file translation has been the only answer to collaboration problems when working with partners using different CAD software to you. The AnyCAD associative import option in Autodesk Inventor and the ability to manage imported reference data natively in Autodesk Vault are huge steps forward, making it easier for you to work with anyone, anywhere, regardless of what CAD software they use. Let's take a look. The first thing you'll notice when placing third-party data into Inventor is the reference model option. Using this option, you bypass file translation entirely. Inventor places a native model into the design, which maintains a reference to the original untranslated CAD file. You can then check the entire assembly file into Vault, carrying over the native files, not translated versions. Design is a process which evolves. Changes are inevitable, even for suppliers' components. And in the past, when a translated file was changed, you needed to translate the new file and then swap it for the old file in the assembly, manually rebuilding your parameters, properties, references and constraints. With AnyCAD, when you receive updated design files, you simply need to update the file in Vault and open the assembly in Inventor. Any changes to the reference model will be updated with a single click, all the while preserving the work you've already completed. In addition, within Vault, you can perform many of the same actions on imported CAD data as you can with your native Inventor files. File properties can be edited, just like other files managed inside Vault, and you can also designate categories, apply lifecycle controls, and assign items to the imported CAD files, so that they can be easily managed alongside all your other product data. The AnyCAD import options inside Autodesk Inventor and Vault make working with imported design data easier than ever, so that you can work the way you want with whomever you want.